Members of NEC, especially the chairman of my other constituency, the chairman of the Ministers' Forum, I must recognize you. Distinguished members of the press, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Chairman of the former Governors' Forum, where I will soon be there. Thank you, my elder brother. I'm happy to stand after listening to the conscience of the party, the leader and chairman of the BOT. This is the miracle of the PDP, a party that has history, that has the pedigree and the human capital to deliver Nigeria. We have been engrossed in controversies and challenges not created by us, but created for us. And we have been navigating unlike the other parties. Irrespective of the manifestations and the perceptions there, we are the party to beat. The gale of leaving us, people leaving the party, are all cosmetic. They are all created to diminish us. But I must thank the leaders and all the organs of the party, especially the BOT, the caucuses of the National Assembly, and most importantly, my colleagues, and the NWC, because everything we are doing for the NWC. Today, I must tell the world that the NWC has collapsed all differences, all rankings. They met before this meeting. What you have been seeing in terms of press releases have stopped, and you will not see them again. And that is what the BOT chairman is telling you. We are all on the same page. No excuse for coalition. No excuse to form any stakeholders meeting other than that of the NWC. We are solidly behind this NWC as governors, and we will continue to work with the conscience of the party and other organs of the party to make sure we succeed to have NEC. We will brief members of our strategy and our plan. What we know is tact, planning, not arrogance. And all undertakers have been defeated. They should go and sleep. We thank members of the media too for always being with us. Please be reassured that we will not disappoint Nigerians and our team and supporters. Before I sit down, I must thank our governors, and especially our state chapters, the chairmen who are the body that is giving us the confidence. There is no element of wranglings in the state chapters. And so whatever is happening has not passed that formidable level. And that is where our strength lies. We thank you, our chairman in the states, for keeping the party with or without resources and making sure that you have provided the fortress that is required to keep the party intact. Thank you very much.